Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove background noise from your microphone in OBS Studio using the latest noise suppression options. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Go down to the audio mixer and find your microphone input. Click the gear icon next to it and select Filters. In the Filters window, click the plus symbol button at the bottom left. Now select Noise Suppression and click OK. OBS will now ask you to choose between two suppression methods. Option 1, Speex. This is lightweight and works well on low-end systems. Option 2, RNNoise. This uses AI-based suppression and gives much better quality. If your system can handle it, choose RNNoise for clearer audio. Once selected, you can leave the default settings or fine-tune if needed. Want even more control? Click the plus button again and add a noise gate. This helps block out soft background sounds like fans, keyboard clicks, or distant chatter. Adjust the open threshold and close threshold based on your voice and environment. Once you're done, just close the filters window. Your microphone should now sound much cleaner, with minimal background noise. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more OBS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.